It's been a long time, but I remember it well. Just like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young, oh, we were young.
反正怎么开始超会搭了
？Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what we're both looking for in this life. My heart is aching.